Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, but did you know they're not suitable for everyone? In fact, eating avocados could be harmful if you have certain health conditions. Let's talk about the 7 situations where avocados might cause trouble and how to consume them safely if you still want to enjoy them. First up, allergies. If you're allergic to latex, you might react to avocados too. This is due to a protein in avocados that's similar to the one in latex. To avoid severe reactions, consider consulting an allergist to confirm if you can safely eat small amounts or if you should avoid avocados entirely. Avocados are packed with potassium, which can be harmful if you have kidney disease or high potassium levels, known as hyperkalemia. If you love avocados, try eating smaller portions, such as a quarter of an avocado, instead of a whole one, and monitor your potassium intake from other sources as well. Always check with your doctor or dietitian for safe limits. Avocados are high in FODMAPs, which can upset your stomach if you have IBS. To minimize digestive distress, try eating smaller amounts, like a few slices instead of half an avocado, and pair them with low FODMAP foods, like vegetables and fruits. You could also opt for firm, less ripe avocados, which may contain lower FODMAP levels. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, the high vitamin K in avocados can interfere with your medication. To enjoy avocados safely, maintain a consistent amount in your diet rather than large, irregular servings. This helps your doctor adjust your medication dosage accordingly. Avocados are often marketed as a health food, but they're also calorie-dense. Just one medium-sized avocado contains about 240 to 300 calories, most of which come from fat. While these are healthy fats, consuming too much can still lead to weight gain. Avocados are incredibly nutritious, but they aren't for everyone. If you have any of these health conditions, you can still enjoy them with the right precautions. Remember, balance and portion control are everything.